Oh shit, no, I forgot one thing. One important thing. Ah, errors. No! We don't die. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a speed run of the last inventory panel in the menu. It's the tokens panel. As you can see here, we have like some panel designs, and this was for the blade art. I just finished it. But we have this token panel where you can see like the tokens, the description, what they do, blah blah blah, and click here to equip it. It's 11 p.m. I'm hoping to have it done by 12, and that's why I want to speedrun this shit. So we're gonna put this all the way up here in the corner, covering the exit button, because we never quit. We never escape. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. So starting, I already want to copy this. Basically have another copy of it. It's a kind of a copy from the previous one. We have like the kind of like the slot design for the thing. Basically, we can take this one, we can deattach it, and we can export the components that are inside it. We click on export. It's in slots, inventory, token slot. That's kind of annoying because it requires like a specific coordinations with the image, no matter what, depending on what the image is. This is kind of like the border for this one. I have to kind of think how I want to do this. There are like many components inside the thing, so like I kind of need this overall shape, and then the size of this is 136.95. Copy this. So we copy this, we put it inside the frame. Bada beam, bada boom, just like that. Now we have exactly the same size. We center it so it's back here exactly where the thing was. We turn off this, we turn off that, we turn off all of these so we can see. You see the dot is right here. As you can see here, the dot is a little bit up, so we can just do that kind of like this, eye it a little bit, eyeballing. It's part of the job, it's part of the job. If we export it, we have all three of them, and then we still have one more, which is the mask for the inner token thing. And that one has two variations, gold and silver, because tokens can be gold or silver tokens. So we have the golden edition. Let's make a silver edition. And then we will hide, actually we'll just fill it. Just fill it entirely 100% like this. And take the stroke and also make it 100%. And oh boy, we have to apply so much shit. This is token. So first we select everything, and then with a custom script that I made, we click on convert UI texture. Now all of them will be changed into a sprite, which is better than doing it manually. Think smart, not hard. You know how it be. Okay, I'll explain this real quick. So exporting things from Figma into Unity causes a problem where, because Sigma uses kind of like gamma color space, but Unity uses linear color space, the degree of what is white changes. So like, let's just say I select this. You see how here the white shadow is kind of like brighter than what it was here? So to solve that, I have to write another script, basically a tool that converts gamma into linear without messing up the white degree. Hopefully it doesn't crash. Hopefully it doesn't crash. Oh, it didn't crash. Yes! As you see, the white kind of got less white. So that's exactly what it does. We should try to build the slot. So basically, first I need to copy the size. Every slot is about, it's 162 by 185. 162 by 185. So the grid here, it's going to be 162 by 185. Now the slot itself, here we need to drop the first mask, which is this one. Boom. Correct. And then we need a border inside it, which is this one. We just slap the border in here, set native size, and because we made it double the resolution, we have to divide it by 2, and then we add an image. Let's just zoom it in, and as you can see, it's now masked out, which is kind of the look of the token. This, we just set it, we stretch it, we call it overlay, and let's just select, for example, golden. We do this, set native size. This is still sus. Maybe we need to make the mask a little bit small. Just a little bit. Just like that. Yeah, that will do it. Anyway, we take this, Boom, 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 boom. We have to open the code of this, and we have to go here, just basically have an additional one, and we just check if it has it. Come on, come on, come on. Compiling, compiling. There we go. And now we have to sadly delete all of those and just take the first one and put the border here. And now we can duplicate this again. And now we should start by making the side panel. Just like this one, we have some elements that we need to copy in here. But first, there are the filters. These filters don't match the tokens. However, I just have them here to test it. The way it works is I hide basically the elements here that are replaceable. So like these icons, the data, the tier, because these values should be changed within Unity itself. So now we have like a backdrop that you can lay data upon, so I don't have to per element go in Unity and make them one by one. It saves so much performance for VR specifically. You always have to think about performance when doing shit for VR. Shit, we're already 15 minutes in. Time is going, time is going. And I think here I can also like showcase more what this like linear to gamma thing actually does. So first we have this one. Let's just convert it to UI. So as you see, if you compare this to this, here it's kind of dark. Here it's super bright. However, if I hit this and I use my tool, it works like magic. Boom! Yeah, there you go. So it just takes bright values and dial them down to match linear. So you convert gamma to linear. It's very handy. I'll probably put the script somewhere where you can get it. Probably not, but. So as you can see, the issue with this one is the outline. Because beside the outline, everything we have here. Oh, I'm getting called. Okay, we have to answer this side mission.
1 minute later.
Now that I realize we can actually put the glow on the sides outside, along with this. But the glow is gonna cause the size to be a little bit different. So first we have to duplicate this. This one will be icon mask, just like the other one that we did back then. We'll select this one, set native size, and we will divide it by 2 to retrieve the size that it was in Figma. And now we have to add that glow thing that was going on. I'm wondering how to do that. I think I have to do it from this one. Are we gonna make this faded? Ooh, there we go. This works a little bit. I mean, it's supposed to be kind of like more blurry, but for that, I think I have to do like something in an outside program. Or I just got a genius idea. I can export the glow in of itself. Let me just do this. Yep, we export this. And we just make both this and the glow white so that we can change the color of the glow in Unity. Kind of satisfied with how it looks, so let's move on to coding. This part, man, this part is annoying because, I mean, I already have a template imported for most of my inventory elements. So like you can see inventory panel token, blah, blah, blah. But as you see, it's item, it says item. So I have to overall just change the word item into token. And to do that, I have a crazy tool, which is the search tool. So every time there is a word item, I just change it to token, I guess. Token here, token. Oh yeah, we have to adjust now the thingy to match what we have here. Ah, I think it already does. Oh, beside this one. Man, this one's gonna take time. Actually, I'm just gonna disable it. You never know. In the future, maybe there's a new detail you want to showcase that needs an icon. But instead of showcasing it here, it will be here. Instead of saying here tokens, it will just straight up say golden token or silver token. Because the old design was, it says here tokens, and then here it says if it's gold or silver. But it's just, like, overdone, you know, it's not needed. Oh shit, no, I forgot one thing. One important thing. the functionality to change the border between silver and gold for the overlay. So basically the first thing is the grid, so he can load all of the items, then the filters, which are these like 3 filters, and then everything in the sub panel. Oh shit, 43 minutes. Come on. Just so you know, I got work tomorrow. And I'm probably not gonna wake up. Man, the time is going like I'm not. Now we just need to have an example data to load to the database. So we have to pop up. This should be an esport event. Think about it. Like, you just get a couple people and make them code and there's a speedrun. I just realized we don't have tokens. We don't have tokens. We have to make tokens data. I'm praying to God that now if I boot up the game, I don't get any errors or anything. Ah, errors. No! We don't have time. What is the error? Current tab. Initialize. Oh no, error again. What is it this time? What the fuck? There's so many errors. But we only need to focus on this one. What? Oof. I remembered because like when I was making this, I didn't have tokens, so I was passing null as a value. When are we gonna invent engines that make the game by themselves? Like, I'm so tired of this shit. Okay. Another error, isn't there? Yeah. Oh, man. Oh my god, 53, come on. I thought we have no chance, but now it looks like we do. Oh my god, it didn't work probably. What? Come on, 3 minutes. Oh my god, no. 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 Oh, of course. Of course. This has to be this one. And then the empty has to be this one. Oh my god, 29. Just enough. Just enough, we don't have time. No! What's wrong now? Wait, are they loaded anywhere else? No. Okay. This is not a speedrun anymore. It's just a death run. Finally. There we go. So this is for this tab and this for this. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a tokens tab. This is basically it. We have this, we can scroll through it, we can filter through it, depending on what type. Again, don't look at the icons or the visuals, I'll have to update those. Click this button and here you'll be able to equip it when I'm done doing the equipment tab. Woof. This was a headache. My time is okay, 1:18. This is it. Peace out.